I'm Chris Daniels from Flarebrand. Airwards is about positive use cases for drones. As we've seen in Ukraine, there are few more positive use cases than defending your homeland. So the defence, security and surveillance category this year is particularly pertinent. The winner of the defence, security and surveillance category is Modal AI. Congratulations.
Yes! Hi everyone, I'm Donald Hudson, CTO and co-founder of Modal AI. On behalf of myself and our entire team, we are so honored that VoxelCam was selected as the winner of the Defense Security category. VoxelCam is the first modular perception unit that enables not only drones, but ground robots, IoT devices, and stationary mounts with powerful autonomy and robotic perception. We are so excited to help more partners accelerate autonomy with our Blue UAS framework autopilots. Thank you again, and fly safer and smarter.